All right, well, folks are already on the line waiting to talk with you, which is good. Tammy over in Trussville starting us off tonight. Tammy, we appreciate your interest and your call. How are you this evening?
I'm doing good. How about you?
We're well, and we are glad that you're calling in. So if you will, go right ahead with your question for Leslie.
Yes, I was wondering, I was released from work in the middle of December, and I had filed for unemployment, and I received a letter from unemployment saying that I did not qualify to receive anything because I did not receive any money for the year from employment. Well, I have my paycheck stubs and everything showing that I made $39,000 and that I did pay taxes in. And I was wondering, was it legal for my employer not to pay in or report my earnings for the year or the taxes that I had paid in for the year?
So, no.
very much not legal.
Yeah, very much not legal. And unfortunately, this is something that we see that happens more than we'd like for it to happen. What I tell folks anytime one of these issues comes up is, first and foremost, contact the Department of Labor, federal and state. Obviously, you've done that by trying to apply for unemployment. But there is an appeals process, so you can go through the appeals process. It should be in that letter that you received, and let them know, show those paycheck stubs. I've even told folks sometimes to call the IRS if they find out that their employer is not withholding those taxes and paying that in. But if you were working in the state of Alabama, then you know there are specific requirements that you have to meet in order to get unemployment. But go through the appeals process and make sure that you're getting someone on the phone. Now, it can be frustrating.
Sure.
The unemployment here in Alabama with the Department of Labor, they are overworked and underpaid. You're going to have to stay on the phone. You're going to have to, I think at one point we had folks lining up to try to just see somebody there at the office. But those are your rights, and stay on top of it.
You know, Leslie, employers can get in serious trouble for that too.
They absolutely can. Yeah.
That is not good.
Yeah, it's so much to the point where they can actually go and like put liens against their personal property.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Wow. Well, Tammy, I know that's got to be so infuriating for her, I'm sure. But thank you for calling in to ask. As Leslie said, we wish you much patience as you go through this process, but certainly hope that you get some recourse and get some recourse soon. All the best to you.